feel like we're turning anything important off.
I just want to introduce to you Pam Buck, creator of Pinesalad. My name's Alan Nerup. I'm another left-hand man, I guess.
Yeah.
Right-hand man now. In any case, take it away, Pam.
Okay, what we're going to be showing here are the Dirty Pear Pinesalad style dubs.
How many of you have seen it?
Pinesalad dub.
Well, name them and see who's seen what.
Okay, our very first one was Dirty Pear Does Dishes. Okay. Revenge of BD was the second one. Have you ever seen that one? Okay, that's people. Come on in. Fistful of Pasta. The die card. I'm excited. And the final one, People of Dirty Pear. Ooh. So there is something new.
The real band and everybody else.
Okay, what we're going to be showing then, we're going to show them in order. So I'm sorry about.
We got one more. The rest of BD, rest of Carl Macek.
Okay, now wait a minute.
Big
the rest
disclaimer.
of Carl Macek. We didn't do that one. Not necessarily a rival production company, but let's say a group without much creativity.
Oh, come on.
Well, because we'd already done Dirty Pear, and they came after us, so we were first. That's how we look at it. So we did not do that one. If you've seen that one, you're lucky. They only showed it at cons, but that is not us.
How many, just out of curiosity, how many of you have ever seen the Robo Smuts?
Robotech dubs that we did.
Ooh,
Well, you won't be seeing them now. Okay, what we're going to do then is we are going to show this in order. Dirty Pear Does Dishes first, Revenge BD, Fistful of Pasta, Diva. And then, do you want to show our preview first and the preview after?
That's already been fun.
Preview.
Okay, we'll show the preview last. We do have our 005 and preview. Yeah, which you can say we had all of it. We don't have all of it. It's really long. It's right now being edited in post-production. We've done the voices, we've done the music, and we've done the sound effects. Now it's just a matter of putting all together on one. So, you know, we can show you the voices without any music. We can show you the music without any voices, but we can't show you them together. But we did do a preview. And there's also a new little live-action sort of thing that is a segue between Revenge of BD and Fistful of Pasta.
And I had nothing to do with it.
Yeah, right. If you noticed with the Revenge of BD and Fistful of Pasta, there's a switch between the two bosses. This sort of explains it in a way. It makes a nice little segue to explain why the change has been happening. So I guess,
We ready to
without
rock?
much further ado, if those who want to come in, hide here, sit down.
Somebody sitting here? No, go ahead, make your day.
What was that word?
Oh, the chair.
Segue.
I'm in
Yeah,
recording
maybe
mode,
you can
so.
pull out that chair.
Okay.
Plenty of seats.
A segue is it's like what they use in radio lingo to
To link two songs together or
Yeah.
two commercials or something.
You guys can go now.
That's it.
It's the Blipbird version.
Here